Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change country or region in Apple ID in your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your Apple ID country or region, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to make sure that you're connected to internet, and once you have connected you have to simply go back from here and open your settings app, go for general, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPNs, open VPN device management settings, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you find a connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And once you have done, you have to go back, then select language and region option, select region, and you have to select the same region in which you are living. Once you have selected, go back from here, open your app store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account from here, and now you have to verify yourself using your face ID or Apple ID password. Then select country or region option. Now you have to again select your own country or region in which you're living, or the country or region which you have just selected. So simply select that. Once you have selected, tap on the continue option from here, and then tap on agree in the top right corner. Here you have to add your payment method. If you have any payment method, you have to add that here. Or if you don't have any payment method, you have to select the none option, and after that you have to add these informations about yourself. Here your street, your billing address, as your town, postcode, and your country, and here's your phone number, and then you can edit your name from here if you want to edit that. Once you have done all of these, you have to select the done option in the top right corner, and your country or region will be successfully updated or changed in your Apple ID. You can do same method on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.